Okay. The next thing I'm going to work on is this luggage rack. Let's take these off first. Put into the vinegar just to clean them up a little bit. And first thing on this, give it a little scrub on in the water, a little bath time with some soap. Scrub all the dirt stuff off of it that I can get. Just going to go ahead and use the steel wool first thing because it worked so good yesterday. You can see it's just like taking all the little rust off right away. It's working good, I can tell already. Okay. Let me just wipe this little part down here so we can see how it's coming out. Look at that. I mean, look at that compared to like the other side. You know, that's where we're at and when we start, and then we're coming out cleaning up like that. So it's working good. I'm just gonna keep on polishing this up. Okay. It's coming. It's just going to take a while. A lot of scrubbing. Just going to work my way and try to do one side at a time. That way we can really see the difference. And it's just a lot of patient rubbing, you know? Just Get all this rust and stuff off here. It's coming off pretty good though. Pretty, you know, it's not hard, it's just takes a while. It's meticulous, you know? All right. So far, I got one side, this rack pretty much done. And it's coming out pretty good. All this here, you know, pretty much done. This is the side I still got to do. See, it's still got a lot. Still got a lot of way to go. But it's coming along. So we'll just keep on working at it. Scrubbing away with the steel wool. There's Opie. Quality control check. Am I doing a good job? This is how it turned out. It looks pretty good. Nice and shiny. Pretty much got all the rust off of it. There's still like a few, you know, spots where it's a little pitted and stuff, but other than that, I think it turned out pretty good, you know, from where it was. So I think we can call this done. And we can get on to the next project. Okay, the last piece of chrome I got right now is the guard that goes on the exhaust pipe. So let's clean this up with some soapy water first, and then we'll get into polishing it up. Okay, got it all washed off. It's actually pretty clean already, so we'll just use a little polish on this. Shouldn't take very long. Okay. So far, this has been like the best piece as far as condition. Alright, there it is. It's pretty good. I think that's it for the chrome for right now.